They weren't fucking blocking you in?
Ozone, provide cover fire for Scarecrow.
Oh. My aim just went black. Oh, got him. Are you using a silenced MP7 or something? Oh god, that guy just threw a grenade at you. Using an MP7? What are you using? UMP? Yep, there's the guy on the roof. Got him.
Enemy on the rooftop. Rooftops are clear.
Fuck, dude. Kill my ammo. Oh, where are these guys? Oh god, there's one. Got him. Get them? Yep.
Ozone, move position to provide cover fire for Scarecrow.
No, there's a heli, trying to destroy it, I have to find
Scarecrow, there's the comm station. Get inside.
Got him. Oh, I know why you were dying. There was guys on the roof shooting you from the roof as well. Oh, there's another. Oh, I didn't get to kill any of them that were coming out. Oh, I killed the driver.
Incoming juggernaut.
Shit, watch for the jug, flash him. Just keep flashing him, cause I need to refill my ammo, but I can't. Oh. Oh my god, he's almost dead,
Juggernaut's down.
Got it. Good job. Refilled my ammo. Come on.
Ozone, use the Reaper to keep reinforcements from entering the comm station.
I'll try. This is gonna be a bitch. Oh god, they're probably already entering. Watch your side. Oh god. Yes! Got those two. Oh god, I hit the roof. Got one guy. Got him. I'm trying to keep him out, because that's what it asked me to do. How did I miss?
Scarecrow, plant the EMP and get out of there.
Plant it.
The Reaper's down.
Oh, they destroyed me.
Incoming hive.
Oh! Fuck! They knocked me down. I'm out. I have to come with you. I'm right here, dude. I'm right here. Can you see me? Shit! Oh, I don't have no sniper no more. And my sniper was a one-hit kill. Alright, I'm right here with you. Dude, my gun zone's weird. Oh! Jug. That's a jug right there. There's a jug. Just peck him with bullets. I flashed him. Oh, he's down. He's down to the ground. Just fucking kill him. Okay, he's dead. Thank you. Come on. Get on the boat.
Mission accomplished.
Oh yeah, true. On 141.